So hello everyone, myself Karthika and today's session we will discuss class 7 social science history part. So this is our chapter number 6, towns, traders and craftspeople. So in this video we will discuss only exercise of this chapter. So without any further delay, let's get started. So question number first, tick the correct option. So question number first, Machilipatnam was famous for the production of dyed cotton cloth which in Europe was known as cheat, brocade, muslin. So answer for this question option number first, cheat. Next question, question number B. This is known as Manchester of East. First option Delhi, second Madurai and third Surat. So answer for this question option number third, Surat. Next question, question number C. Important centers for pilgrimage in the medieval period associated with Sufi Sant were first option Fatehpur Sikri and Ajmer, second Agra and Mathura and third Srinagar and Agra. So answer for this question option number first Fatehpur Sikri and Ajmer. Next question, question number D. The Vijayanagar Empire was founded by first option Dev Rai, second option Hariyar and Bukka and third option Krishna Dev Rai. So answer for this question option number second Hariyar and Bukka. Next question, question number E. Hampi is located along the banks of river. First option Tungabhadra, second Ganga and third Bhagirathi. Answer for this question option number first Tungabhadra. So question number first, all answers are present here, so you can match from here. So next question, question number second, fill in the blanks. So first one, Banaras emerged as an important dash center. So answer, Banaras emerged as an important culture, religion and educational center. Second question, the Vijayanagar Empire reached its glorious peak during the reign of answer Krishna Dev Rai. Next question, question number C. Machilipatnam is situated on the dash coast of India. So answer, Machilipatnam is situated on the southeastern coast of India. Next question, question number D. Dash founded the city of Hyderabad. Who founded the city of Hyderabad? So answer, Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah founded the city of Hyderabad. So next question, question number E. The other name of Vijayanagar was? Answer, the other name of Vijayanagar was Hampi, Kasikindha and Pampachetra. Next question, question number F. Dash and dash flourished because of the popularity of the crafts of the region. So answer, Kanchipuram and Banaras flourished because of the popularity of the crafts of the region. So question number second, all answers are present here, so you can match from here. So next question, question number third, state whether the following statements are true or false. So first one, Surat was a British settlement in the 17th century. Is this true or false? So this one is true. Next question, question number B, Allahabad is a pilgrimage town. Is this true or false? So this one is true. Next question, question number C. Surat replaced Cambay as an important center of trade. Is this true or false? So this one is true. Next question, question number D. The capital of Vijayanagar Empire was Hampi. Is this true or false? So this one is true. Next question, question number E. The word muslin comes from the name of Machilipatnam. Is this true or false? So this one is false. So question number third, all answers are present here, so you can match from here. Next question, question number 4. Answer the following questions in one or two words. So first one, during which period India was prosperous? Answer, medieval period. Next question, question number B. Name any two Mughal rulers who supported trading activities and removed obstacles to movement of goods and people. Answer, Akbar, Jahangir and Shahjahan. Next question, question number C. Who built his new capital at Daulatabad in AD 1327? Answer, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next question, question number D. In which state is Hampi located? Answer Karnataka. Next question, question number 5. Answer the following questions in brief. So this one is short type question. So question number first, why is Hampi become an important city? So answer, Hampi was the capital of Vijayanagar Empire. It was chosen as the capital because of its strategic location. It was a famous center for spice and cotton trade. Today it is the famous for its archaeological ruins. Next question, question number B. Why is Machilipatnam also known as Machilipatnam? So answer, Machilipatnam was earlier known as Masulipatam, was also called Masulakaman, meaning fish gate. So being an old port town, it got its name as Masulipatam. Next question, question number C. Name some important urban centers that were frequently visited by pilgrims. So answer, some important urban centers frequently visited by pilgrims during the medieval period were: first one, Madurai, Thanjavur, Nasik, Kashi, Chidambaram, Mathura and Ajmer were significant urban centers. Second point, rulers, devotees and pilgrims provided patronage to these towns, which lead to the establishment of urban center at pilgrimage site. Next question, question number D. How did the British set up a trading factory in Surat? So answer, the British ship landed on Indian subcontinent at the port of Surat, August 24 in 1608 for the purpose of trade. Mughal Emperor Jahangir granted a farm to Captain William Hawkins, permitting the East India Company to erect a factory at in Surat in 1613. Next question, question number E. How are port towns important in trade development? So answer, port towns refer to those areas which are important center for commercial activities where goods could be purchased and sold, and towns located near the sea are hub of the economic activities whereby goods could be traded via sea routes are referred as port towns. So next question, question number 6. Answer the following questions in detail. So this one is long type question. So question number first, discuss the importance of Machilipatnam as a trading center in the medieval period. So answer, Machilipatnam became important center in international trade and it also became important port for goods from Bengal. Initially, Machilipatnam was a trading spot for the southeast countries like Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, China and Indonesia. Towards the end of 16th century, a new sea route was linked to Arab countries. Next question, question number B. Give example to show that urban growth was often centered around religious places. So answer, temples towns were centered around large temple, that is activities of the temples shaped the economy and society of the town. A variety of people congregate around temples to participate in trade, agriculture, bank and craft production. Example, Somnath, Tirupati and Ajmer. Next question, question number C. Write a short note on external trade during the medieval period. So answer, during the medieval period, the external trade in India flourished. India has trade relations with various countries including Persia, China, Africa, Europe and other places. The main items of export from India were textiles, spices, ivory, precious stones and objects within lay crafts. Next question, question number D. Write a note on crafts in medieval India. So answer, so first point, the craft persons of Bidar were so famed for their inlay work in copper and silver which come to be known as Bidri. Second point, weavers such as Salyar and Kaikolars emerged as prosperous communities making donation to temples. Next question, question number E. What was the importance of Surat? So answer, people from distant lands visited Surat because it was the gateway of trade with West Asia. It was also famous for its zari textile which had huge market in West Asia, Africa and Europe.